On this hunt, we made our way into Tennessee whiskey and Blue Raider country to an amazing outfit known as Cedar Rock Hunting Preserve, located in Bedford County near Shelbyville, Tennessee. A last-minute cancellation left us hanging, so we reached out to Cedar Rock, which were so accommodating, worked us in, and provided our group with an exciting experience. My name is Ryan McDermott from Blind 9 Outdoors. Today, I'm lucky enough to be joined by my dad and my father-in-law. Being from Southern Illinois, we all grew up quail hunting, but we were super excited to finally get to hunt pheasants. I have heard that even the seasoned bird hunter can be startled by a ringneck rising from the brush. They got the best of us a couple times, but I believe we held our own though. We'll see. Got it.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
Matt, come here. Not yet. Come here. Alright, so we're going to walk this first little grass patch up here. We'll put two of you guys on one side, one on the other. I'll work the middle with the dogs, and when he goes on point, we'll get... There's the point.
There he is.
You got him, man.
Holy cow.
Nice!
Holy cow. Good shot.
A hen? Nice. All right.
First pheasant hen we got here. About 5 minutes in. Still see the truck. Nice.
Excited. Everybody ready?
Woo! Yeah. Yeah.
Right here, Matt.
Nice. That's beautiful. Look at this thing. Look at that. Wow. Yeah.
That wasn't that one. That wasn't the same.
No, that other one went that way.
Yeah.
This guy. That tail. That's awesome.
All right. Donkey. My gun hanging out. Oh! He came right at me. Hey Thomas, is that a quail?
Yep.
Yeah, they're tame. It's all yours, man.
Walk up fast to it. It's just going to take off right into the wood line. It won't fly.
Oh! All right, that's quail. Good job. All right.
There it is.
I missed it.
I did too.
Shot. Yeah. Good dog. They come right at you. It's just... There you go, Ryan. Here he comes, Mike.
Mav, don't catch that bird. That bird just went down.
You killed that bird?
I think so.
Wow.
He went down pretty hard. Or I gave it a concussion when it flew into the tree.
I got that on film.
I was also facing you guys, but my safety was on that.
Uh-huh.
So it's probably good that I didn't.
Yeah, the bird was that one.
We're coming right at you.
Come right at me and I was looking right at you guys.
Yeah.
Luckily, the safety was on.
Yeah, there you go. Just like it's supposed to.
Let's go find this one real quick, because that definitely went down. He went down pretty hard.
Okay. Come on now, dead. Dead. Good dog. Good dog.
Good dog.
Good dog.
Alright, so you give me that. Give me that.
Good dog. Don't give it to Mike. He shot it. Good dog. Yes, sir. Good dog.
It's all you. It's all you.
Got it. There he goes. Good shot, Ryan. Yeah. Good shot. Oop. Holy cow. Holy cow. Good shot. Yeah.
There it goes.
Boom. Good shot, Mike.
I thought I couldn't get my safety on. I thought I did what Ryan did.
Yeah. Well, you held good on that one. She's convinced there's one around.
Oh, it's right here on my foot.
There you go, Mike.
Here, Matt.
It was hit, wasn't it?
It was hit.
I'm ready. That was a cock, wasn't it? That was shot it 3 times, it'd already be dead.
Here. Matt, you stay close.
Keep the feathers on that one if you're going to clean them.
The tail?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do. So how many do y'all want clean?